In this day and age, robots have reached into all corners of the earth, including manufacturing. In this animation, we inform you in the use of robotics in car manufacturing. So, to start off, what do robots do in this field? Well, the job of these robots is to build vehicles like cars or buses. First, AMRs move raw materials and components from storage or automated CNCs. Making small, precise pieces are brought to factory lines with robots. They will bring stuff like pumps, motors, wheels, metal, and more. Then, some robots will use pre-made stuff, as stated before, to make stuff like engines, transmissions, interior components act. And also, robots pour molten aluminum into molds to make pieces. They can also be equipped with tools like milling, grinding, welding, or cutting heads, and probably more that are not being stated, to do tasks like painting, welding, and installing parts and more. Then, at the very end of these lines, there are robots that do quality checks on the cars to make sure everything was made correctly.
Hello, I'm here to talk about the pros of robots. So, what are they, you might ask? Well, first of all, robots are a massive help to counter tiredness, distractions, and other disturbances. For example, humans need lunch breaks, while robots can do work as long as they have the necessary electricity. Robots can also provide a consistent result, since they do the same program over and over. Meanwhile, human workers can do good on some products and do bad on others. This shows the efficiency of robots. Finally, robots can do a variety of work. Robots are able to paint, coat, and seal cars nicely.
Having robots also comes with some cons. Like, for example, robots can cause some people to get laid off from their job. This is really bad for workers in this field, since they'd be unemployed, lacking the money needed to survive. Another con for using robots in car manufacturing is that it's expensive. The cost of maintaining the robots will be massive, and it can be hard to pay for them. Finally, the programs for the robot itself can cause an issue. If the program of the robot has a single flaw, it could cost the company a lot of money. These two problems show the amount of risk involved in having robots in your car manufacturing company.
In conclusion, making robots do car manufacturing has a lot of pros and cons and need to be considered before implementing robots in car factories.
Robots is a risky move for most companies because of all the cons. So just know that robots might not take over the world as you were hoping.
Thank you for watching this animation, and have a nice day.